want to create stunning map zoom animation. Like this, on this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make cinematic map zoom effects that look professional and are super easy to follow. So let's dive in and zoom into the magic. First, open Canva and start a new video project. You can choose any size depending on where you'll use the video, like YouTube, Instagram, or a presentation slide. Now go to the Elements tab and search for map. Select a world map that matches your style. Then search for the country you want to zoom into. Pick any country of your choice. Place the country map on the canvas and position it over its actual location on the world map. Adjust the color of the country map to make it stand out. You can choose bold or soft tones, depending on the theme of your video. Arrange and align both maps properly to make the transitions smooth. Now comes the animation part. Duplicate the current page. And on the new page, zoom in on the country map a bit. Then duplicate again and zoom in even further. This creates a smooth zoom effect as we move closer into the map. Once you've zoomed in enough, it's time to add the name of the country. Use a clean, bold font that's easy to read. Position the text properly by going to Layers and adjusting its placement so it doesn't overlap with important parts of the map. Duplicate the page again. This time, slide the map slightly to the right to create motion. And decrease the transparency of background of all the pages. Now go to the Transition panel. Use the Match and Move. Make sure each transition is aligned perfectly. To make the animation faster and more engaging, reduce the timing of each page, around 2.5, and apply to all pages. Here is the result. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.